back. It is your favorite moto vlogger back with another video. Man, and as you can hear in my voice right now, I'm holding on to a cold right now, fellas, but that is all good. I am back out in the garage. Not gonna let that slow us down. Man, I am gonna be heading to Las Vegas here in the next couple days. I cannot stand this cold weather. I gotta get out of here, get a vacay. But before I go, man, we are in the process of getting this girl together right here, the 2024 Road Glide right here in that pretty blue burst as you see behind me. About to strip this baby down, get with my man JLA's Choppers, my guy Jerry. You've been watching the show, you know who that is. If not, stay tuned, man. We're about to break this bike down, start this customization, and let's get real. All right, fellas, so I am in the garage right now, and I am looking at the front of the bike right here, and you can see everything looks really good. I just installed that headlight cover, looks super mean with the black windshield, the blue screws. Everything is coming together. Now I'm coming all the way down the bike, and I'm thinking, how can I finish this off and make this thing look even super mean? So guys, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna rip these wheels off the front and back. We're gonna take them and get them out for powder coat, and we're gonna make this thing really bling. Now let me go over and show you a few more things that we're gonna do here. Now, one thing I do like right here, you guys see the console cover looks really good, especially with that little Harley-Davidson sign right there. So what I'm gonna do, fellas, is I'm gonna rip this off, and also we're gonna get this out for paint, and we're gonna kind of match this up gloss black. I don't know why Harley went with this matte finish when it would have looked amazing if they would have went all gloss black. So we're gonna gloss that out, make that look really good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But a little thing like this can really make the bike pop. Now let's swing down. Now you see I've already pulled off the bags, the side cover right there to get to that rear wheel. I'm gonna pull the other side off in just a second. More upgrades, we're gonna pull that back wheel, like I say, fellas, and get these wheels customized and powder coated and ready to go. I'll be right back. All right, man, yes sir, got everything all stripped off, got the bags taken off, the side panels. Now, fellas, I am gonna take off the slip-ons right here, and you see they are just attached by these two screws right here, and then we're gonna pop a bolt, and let me jump this so you guys can see it. I'm gonna get all the way under there. There is a bolt right there that you guys have to pop, and that is gonna break everything apart. So it is just 3 quick bolts. We're gonna take the slip-ons off so we can get that wheel exposed, all right? Let's keep this thing going. And I've got that 9/16 bolt right there with the torque set right here, and I'm just gonna hit that real quick. Pop that. Man, I love torque sets. You gotta have one of these. If you are gonna be working on a bike, you need a torque set. Man, it is essential to you to grab one of these. So all I'm gonna do is pop this baby on real quick. Kind of hard, bear with me, fellas. It's kind of hard to do it with holding the camera, so I'm gonna try to do best I can. I'm gonna go ahead, pop that, and get that popped off and ready to go. Easy once you get it going, but again, fellas, bear with me. I am rocking the camera with one hand, so kind of rough, but got those out all the way, ready to go, and you just see those attach the slip-ons to the bracket right here, and then we're gonna go underneath right here, as I showed you before, with that bolt, and again, that is a 9/16. Now, at the same time, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and break that down real quick and get these slip-ons off. I'll be right back. Let's get money. Hey guys, and I've got everything all situated and taken apart, and all I'm gonna do is just go side to side on this. And when you do this, just go side to side. You see how I'm rocking this thing back and forth, side to side, kind of loosening it up, and that'll bring it right out. All right, man, we back at it. I got my guy Jerry in the house. If you've been watching the show, you know he is a staple on the show. JLA's Choppers in the house. He is showing you guys how to take off a rear tire right here. Now, he just took off the bolt right there that holds on, and I'm gonna show you guys the bolt real quick. That's the bolt right there, and there's the washer and the other lock washer right there. And he just took that directly from right there, guys, and we broke that. What did you break that with? What is the socket right there? Show them the socket real quick.
This is 1.5 inches, but it doesn't fit quite right.
Not right, but it fits decent enough to get it off. The correct fitting, guys, we'll get that for you down below in the description right below me. It'll get to the correct fitting for you when we look it up. But right now we're able to get that off with that bolt. I'm gonna swing around the other side, and he is just breaking the other side right there as well. Let me get all the way up on it. But guys, the rear tire is definitely the hardest of the two to take off, so we want to give you guys a good tutorial of how to get this done. All right, so now we've got all the nuts broken off. Now he is taking off the rear caliper right there. You guys can see it. What ratchet are you using right there to unloosen those two bolts right there?
A 3/8 Allen head.
All right, 3/8 Allen head, and you guys see those two bolts he's got right there. I'll get a closer look on it. See right there, he's really hitting those two bolts right there, and those are gonna unloosen the rear brake caliper right there. So after you take the nuts out, you're gonna unloosen the caliper right there as he's doing right there. We'll be right back. We'll keep it going. Hopefully this is helping you out. If it is, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. We're breaking this bike down, man. It is about to go down. Man, I'm telling you, Jerry, we got this bike in the Name a Bike contest right now. It is looking so good under the lights. I'm wondering, got so many names for the bike. It is crazy. Probably got like 35 to 40 names, suggestions for the bike. Yeah, it's about 40 names, suggestions for the bike, so it's gonna be really hard to pick it. But what would you name this bike out there, man? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't entered your name, enter it in, man. Gonna be cool to see what you guys come up with, but man, dope bike. All right, so we just lifted up the wheel, guys, and pulled it, and the spacer's gonna drop out right there. Make sure you guys keep those spacers. That is super important. I'm gonna swing around to the other side, and you guys are gonna see right there.
That's the ABS.
Yep, that is an ABS right there on the other side. Make sure you take a picture of that, or you guys remember how that was attached, because it will not go, if you do not put it in the right way, you're gonna get an indicator light or something like that. So guys, make sure you remember when you take that out, how that ABS right there, and this is ABS right here. We're gonna get all the way up on you guys. See that? That is your ABS bearing right there. All right, so he's gonna rip that off, and then he's gonna probably jump around and rip off the belt right there. He's got that all done. Yep. It's got the belt off, and he just lifted that up. We're just gonna lift the wheel up and get this off. All right, man, and just like that, he has got the wheel off, guys. And then let me jump down here. You guys see the belt right there. Everything's all in there. Now let me switch on the other side while he's getting things all set up. Guys, remember, your caliper is gonna be right there. Hide it inside right there so that it doesn't scratch the bike up, or you can put a plastic bag over it or something like that to keep it from scratching things up. I just got it tucked right there. It looks pretty good, so we're gonna leave it like that. But we're gonna get this bit wheel ready to rock and roll, man. We're gonna send it to powder coat and get it ready to go. What color do you think we're gonna go with? Leave me something in the comments below. All right, man, we got getting this front rail off right now. Took off the brake caliper right there. Now guys, check it out. That is your ABS right there. You see the ABS right there. It is all connected. Remember, guys, to remember how that is connected when you reattach. And I've got the brake caliper, and I'm just gonna give you a quick tip. You see I've got a zip bag right here, then I'm gonna go ahead and zip it up so that it can protect from the paint job, and everything will be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip that up, and we're gonna keep this thing going. Let me swing around and show you guys what Jerry is rocking right now. And he is just taking off axle right there. Good view of it right there. There's the axle that comes out. Let me show you guys right there. Now when you put this back in, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grease that and lubricate it again when it goes back in. But you see the wheel came off easy as can be. Again, there's the caliper. I'm gonna grab another bag and put this in and zip it up so that it doesn't scratch that beautiful paint job right there. But man, that is how you do it. He's sticking that back in there and keeping it all set up and ready to go, so that when we reattach, everything's right there ready for us to get it back done. Yes, sir. It's definitely going down. Bike is all stripped down and ready to go. I love it. I love stripping bikes down, man. I ain't even gonna hold you. I love stripping a bike down. It is nothing better than stripping your bike down and realizing, guys, that you can put this thing back together. It is a dope feeling right there. Don't be scared to get in the garage and get on your bike. Mess with it, man. Play with it. Learn your bike. Learn the ins and outs of it. It'll make you a better rider, man. I'm telling you what. All right, fellas, so just so you're wondering what bolt we use, this is a 19mm Allen head to get that out right there, and that is the screw that you can get that out. They changed that on the Harley, so definitely make sure you grab that right here. What size was this little bolt that held it in right here?
6mm.
The 6mm right there. Guys, that is an easy one to get out. That just holds the wheel in once the axle is all in and everything. Easy setup right there. But remember, guys, the 19mm to get that out, that is the new setup for the front wheel for the Harley-Davidson Road Glide and the Street Glide. Man, we are going all the way in right now. He's pulling off the derby cover right there. You see that hot 117 right there. We're gonna customize that as well. Man, we are really going out on this bike right now. Guys, remember when you take that off, make sure the bike is level. You see we've got it up on the jack so that the fluids don't leak out right there. But it looks really good up in there, man. That looks really good. Let me show them the derby cover right here. And that looks good right there. That looks super good. We're gonna go ahead and customize this and make it a part of our own with the bike. So really excited about this. A great day to get things done, and I'm on my way to Vegas, about to get this bike started. Couldn't be more happier. All right, man, almost in the finishing touches, taking off the console cover gas cap right there, man. You guys see it. This is the all-in-one that they did for Harley. Now they changed everything. No more of that screw-off cap. It is now, you just flip it up and pull up. I like that much better. We're taking that off. We're gonna customize that as well. You see, we got Harley, gotta give them credit. They got the console cover nicely done with the custom black Vivid right there, but then they went and did this with matte, which makes it look kind of crazy. So we're gonna rip that off and make everything look streamlined with the bike, man. And again, that is what, a T27 on there, T27. He's popping those with. So guys, if you ever want to take that off, that is the proper fitment for it. All right, fellas, man, I got a cool way to customize the bike. Now you guys see the rear tail lights right here. There are not a lot of options out there, so you can customize these. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull these off and we're gonna black this out, give it that blacked out look to make it look mean, to match that. You know, we changed the license plate cover right there and blacked that out, gave it that 3D look. So we're gonna black out these babies and make them look good. I've already taken this off, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did it real quick. And as you see, it is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're like 6 bolts right there that you gotta take off. They are super easy and they come right out. You see the bracket right there. Let me turn so you guys can see it. That is the bracket right there. It is easy, and you can see right there the bolts line up exactly where they're supposed to, so it's super easy. And then I'm gonna unplug right here from the plug that's there, and these lights will be ready to rock and roll, man. I'm telling you, Jerry, I think that is gonna look amazing when we black those out. Man, really cool option. Like I said, guys, there's not a lot of options. I know custom dynamics and things like that, but we're gonna do it and make it look custom our way. All right, fellas, so here is that plug that you unplug from the light, and it disattaches right there. And here's the bracket. Like I told you guys, it is super easy. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and you are out of there super easy. I'm gonna knock this side off. We're gonna line everything up. We're gonna show you all of the upgrades coming your way. See, the bike is all stripped down. We've got the wheels off, all the parts that we're gonna customize stripped off, plus a few extra things that we didn't tell you about. So let's go over everything real quick. Guys, you see I got the pulley right here. We're probably not gonna do the pulley because you really can't see that, but we're gonna let that out. We're thinking about that right now, but you see I'm gonna rock, and we're gonna do some modifications to the derby cover. Really gonna be able to make that thing bang out. And then I've got the coil cover right here. Gonna put our twist on that and make it look really good. You see we ripped off the console gas cap cover. Yes, sir. And then the tail lights, I think these are gonna really bang. They're gonna be blacked out, smoked out, if you will. Gonna give it that mean look. And then we're gonna rock over to the wheels. And by the way, I gotta say, these are the best wheels that Harley has ever made on a bike right here. I love the design of them. Gonna put our powder coat and our little bit of a custom touch to them. Might change these rotors out What kind of rotors do you think I should get, guys? I'm thinking some golfers or something like that, but we're gonna see how everything comes out. Leave me something in the comments below. Let me know your suggestions. But these are some of the upgrades that we're gonna do to the bike. Gotta give shout out to my guy Jerry in the house, man. JLH Choppers. Let them know where they can get you at.
JLH_choppers on Instagram.
That is what's up. Tell them what you do, man. What do you do, man?
I do custom paint, fab work, oil changes, anything you want done on a motorcycle, I can do it.
Yes, sir. Go check out his Instagram, guys. He's got things up there you can check out. He's got bikes that he's done. Check out all the videos that we've done together, man. He is the best in the biz. You're gonna have to check this bike out. Leave him a number just in case.
440-212-6279.
There it is, my guy Jerry in the house, man. We're about to get this bike broken down. Rock and roll. Next time you guys see this, it is gonna be a monster. Yes, sir, and the bike is stripped down, as you see, ready to roll. I am so excited to get this customization started. I'm also excited to get the name for the bike, so don't forget to drop the name. If you already have it, you're gonna win some cool stuff if I pick your name. Man, it is time for Viva Las Vegas, guys. I'm gonna vlog the trip. I hope you enjoy it, so next time I see you, I'm on my way to Vegas, baby. So until next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace. Man, I'm on my way to Vegas, about to win me some cash. Maybe I can pick up that $110,000 CVO RR. Man, crazy. All right, guys, peace out.